Hi to everyone. I am Tiraj Babu. I am studied MSc Analytical Chemistry in AMAL PG College 2018-20 batch. Our college provides good education with good faculty, good library and fully equipmented laboratory. I feel very happy. Recently, I am successfully completed my MSc with good marks and got a good job in pharma field. Not only me, many of my friends also got good jobs in pharma field, and everyone leading good role in basic learning from our college. I think a right place to fulfill our dreams through our college. Thank you to sirs and madams who are supporting us, and thank you to ML. Thank you.
Hi all, good morning to everyone. This is Ratnakar. I have studied my MSc Organic Chemistry in AML College. I am very happy to tell you that the college is wonderful college. I finished my PG in the year 2005 and I am very blessed and fortunate to study in that college. The faculty, the management are wonderful, awesome. They guide you in each and every aspect of life. And now presently I am working in a pharma company called Biologically Limited as a senior program manager. Coming to the infrastructure and establishment of the college, it has been established in around 1950s and it's a wonderful organization. Hope everyone utilizes the opportunities placed there in the organization, take guidance from the management, take guidance from the staff, get placed in whatever the field you are. It's a wonderful college. Please utilize the time, make the opportunities go live and work hard. All the best.
3. Hi everyone, my name is Gona Somanaidu. I am from Jamalipani village in Kasaragod Mandal. Currently I am working as a postdoctoral fellow at Tel Aviv University in Israel. I have studied my BSc and MSc at AML College from 2006 to 11. This is one of the best colleges under the Andhra University. It's established in 1953 by Anakapalli Merchants Association. Since then, this institution has produced several skilled and successful students who are contributing in the development of the nation in different fields. I am very proud to study in this college. The management is very nice. They never hesitate to provide what the college needs. The faculty members are wonderful. They are very supportive to the students, highly encourages and guide them to reach their goals. I take this opportunity to thank all my teachers who guided me, helped me and realized my dreams. I also thank the non-teaching staff who made all the arrangements like chemicals in the laboratory, books in the library, etc., who are as important as teachers. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I shall always remain indebted to you all. I suggest the students who are near to the Anakapalli to choose this college for MSc Chemistry. Surely the faculty members will help you to reach your goals. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, this is Prabhakar Rao. I have studied in AML College, completed my MS Organic Chemistry in the year of 2012. AML College is well established and containing good architecture, and it has good library and lab facilities, and the teachers and the staff is very good. They are encouraging students in each and every aspect. And during my master studies, I have learned so many things, and I got so many information from the teachers to further studies. With their encouragement and support, I have cleared my GATE and CSR exam for higher studies. In the year of 2013, I joined in IIT Madras for my PhD studies, and 2018 I completed my PhD, and I have published several articles in reputed international journals. Presently I am doing my postdoctoral research work in Masaryk University, as you can see in our university backside. It is located in Czech Republic. It is one of the European country. All the success of my journey because of AML College, and in the right time they gave me right directions, and my teachers helped me a lot for getting these positions. And thank you everyone for supported me, and all the best for the students. Take suggestions and use the facilities in AML College and reach your goals. Thank you everyone. and thank you for AML College